How to remove GCash transaction history. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we're going to show you how you will be able to remove your transaction history. Now in GCash, the transaction history is very useful because as you can see here, you will be able to monitor your different transactions. You can easily request a transaction history over here to be able to receive your transaction history. But if you want to remove that, there is no actual feature for you to do where you just click it and you will be able to remove it. But you will be able to request it on the customer support by clicking on help over here on the top right. And over here, you can either chat with Gigi or add your own ticket number or create a new ticket requesting that you wish to remove the GCash transaction history. Now GCash will reply typically in the same day or the next day, saying or telling you whether you will be granted the wish to remove your GCash transaction history. Now, it's not guaranteed, but it's worth a try to be able to remove and hide your transaction history. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.